Hey, Dawn and I were taking a break from my desk on this first week back in the new year 2025. And with that said, Happy New Year to all of you. And, what comes with New Year's, right, are the dreaded New Year's resolutions. We're all going to eat better. We're all going to exercise more. We're going to lose weight. So if you're in that fold where you're doing the resolutions, good luck with all that. Hopefully you make it through the entire year 2025 maintaining those resolutions. And if you're not doing the resolutions this year, that's okay too. Just keep on. There's nothing wrong with that as well. But there is one thing I would like to ask all of you to do in 2025, and that is to protect yourself better. As lawyers in law firms, where you're operating, the law practice, you face many exposures on a daily basis. And two of the larger exposures, I think, legal malpractice insurance and cyber insurance, need to be addressed, and you need to make sure that you have the coverage in place to protect yourself from those two exposures. What scares me most is that a lot of the people that I talk to, they actually think they're pretty much one and the same. If I have cyber insurance, I don't need legal malpractice insurance. Or the flip side, if I have legal malpractice insurance, I don't need cyber insurance. And that is just wrong. They are not the same type of coverage. They are two totally different policies and two totally different exposures. There may be some overlap in the legal malpractice insurance, meaning that there might be some coverage in the event of a cyber event or a cyber attack, but the limits are usually very, very small, and the scope of coverage is minute, if you can even get the coverage to trigger at all. And on the flip side, the cyber policies, I've never seen any ancillary type of coverage under a cyber policy that would apply to a legal malpractice insurance. So please protect yourself better in 2025. You deserve it. Your law firm deserve it. Your employees deserve it. And also, maybe even more importantly, your clients deserve it as well. So, hey, thanks for listening. I hope this helps. Give me a call. Let's discuss. And remember, I'm Don I, your insurance guy.